प्रोग्राम, इट इज प्रोग्राम क्या है?
Set of codes.
Okay, set of codes. I'm asking non-tech words. Sir, this is the program, just like Independence Day program, 26 जनवरी का प्रोग्राम, 15 अगस्त का प्रोग्राम. Program means I'm writing a definition like a program which solve any specific problem, and your definition, and it is the set of functions and instructions. This is the program. Okay, no problem. Ayans told me, sir, I also told you it set of function and instruction is known as program. Okay, no problem. So program means just like picnic program. What is the program of Sunday? Weekend program. Picnic is a program. Sir, what solution provide by the picnic? Spelling mistake, no problem at all. Spelling mistake, picnic. Okay, no problem. Chalega. Picnic. What is the solution provided by the picnic problem? Picnic program, sorry. पिकनिक जाने से क्या प्रॉब्लम का सॉल्यूशन होता है? बिकॉज सर यू राइट सॉल्व एनी स्पेसिफिक प्रॉब्लम, इट मींस द प्रोग्राम. पिकनिक इज अ प्रोग्राम. सर स्ट्रेस फ्री होता है, सबसे ज्यादा टेंशन चिंता ये वो है पिकनिक का प्रोग्राम. सर it is the set of function and instruction. What is the various function or instruction in picnic? We will play the game in picnic. We will cook the food, enjoy the party in picnic. Okay, so this is the picnic program. What is the next program? Life का सबसे बड़ा biggest program is marriage program. Marriage program, tell me. Correct the, please, marriage program. What is the solution? This is biggest program. Life's biggest program is marriage program. सुख दुख का साथी, happy on unhappy moment, every second जो हमेशा साथ निभाए, साथी मिलेगा मैरिज करने से, राइट ना? आपके हर एक प्रॉब्लम में he or she will be. मैरिज प्रोग्राम है ना, साथी मिल जाता है, अपन को खाना नहीं बनाना पड़ेगा. नंबर ऑफ थिंग्स आर देयर बेसिकली मैरिज प्रोग्राम में. व्हाट आर द वेरियस सेट ऑफ फंक्शंस? व्हाट आर द वेरियस फंक्शंस इन मैरिज? सर engagement function, okay, contains by marriage program. Engagement function, haldi mehndi sangeet music, marriage program contains. बारात, घोड़ा दूल्हा, groom, है ना, वरमाला, and number of फेरे, number of things are there. These are different type of functions, and every function create specific content. Just like engagement only perform engagement functionalities. Again, बारात निकलना, music, haldi mehndi, again these are specific functionalities. Okay, so just like marriage program, same thing is. Next is calculator. Calculator is a calculator. Yeah, please tell me. Calculator program solve which problem? Calculation problem. Right now, what are the various function inside calculator? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulo, etc. All type of calculation function solved by calculator program. WhatsApp program. WhatsApp. Various function. WhatsApp provide solution. Which type of solution? Communication problem, chat problem, okay, send audio video content problem solved by this program, this software, okay, chat, group chat, broadcast, understood or not, and so many functionalities are there, audio call, video call, and so many things are there. These all are functions of WhatsApp. So every program is also known as software or application, understood or not? It means we want to create a program or a software. A software. Again, Skype is a software. Understood or not? Clear or not? Perfect. Now, how many types of programming languages are there? Everything is clear or not, Ayans? Okay, perfect.
Yes.
Now,
Yes, sir.
how many types of programming language are there? Programming language. रितेश दिक्कत तो नहीं हो रही है? Yeah, perfect. How many types of programming language are there? So basically, we will divide programming language in two categories. इसका पूरा PPT है, proper presentation, but no problem, no worry, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. Okay, two type of programming language are there. First one is low level programming language. Which type? Programming language, low level. Okay, low level programming language. Second one is high level programming language. Programming language, low level and high level. What is the meaning of high level and low level programming languages? Low level means just like machine level, 01010101010101 sits on machine. If you want to learn a low level programming language, then you must have to know about the internal architecture of your machine, your computer, just like registers, capacitors, motherboard architecture, and so many things are there. Understood or not? Not easy to read, not easy to write, not easy to understand. Okay, these such type of programming language are called low level. Just wait a minute. Yeah, perfect. This one. So first one is not easy to read. Second one is not easy to write. Third one is not easy to points. I'm increasing the points. Not easy to understand. Understand. Next one is not easy to find errors. Should or not? I will explain what is the meaning of these all. Not easy to read, write, or understand, or find errors. Next one is sits on machine. What is the meaning of sits on machine? Meaning of sits on machine means you need to know the hardware internal architecture. Hardware internal architecture of machine. This is the meaning of sits on machine. Okay, time consuming. Okay, seventh one is high costing. Next one is types लिख दे रहा हूं मैं, no problem. A is machine language, is assembly language. Hmm. High level language means very easy to read, very easy to write, very easy to understand, very easy to find and solve errors. And find and solve errors. Okay. No need. No need to know the hardware internal architecture of machine. Time saving. Low costing. Okay. Types are very multiple, just like C, C++, Python, Java, R, okay, Ruby, PHP, JavaScript. Multiple languages are there. Understood or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Ayans?
I have just one question because a lot of people say that C and C++ are like relatively low level languages compared to like
It is,
Python.
yeah. You are right. C and C++ both are middle level language. These are not low level language. Low level language means totally depend on machine. If you need, it means you need to know the internal hardware architecture. But in C and C++, you don't need to know the internal hardware architecture. You can say it is just like middle level language.
Okay.
So low level, middle level and high level. Okay. I will elaborate what is the meaning of these all. So now, first one is, what is the meaning of machine language? Machine language. Okay. If you want to click this, you can click or write. Okay. Perfect. Now, uh, for example, sorry. Huh. You are writing just 0101. This. Uh, yeah. This. Perfect. Hmm. Okay. For example, we know the binary language or machine language, just like, okay, this one. Okay. Now we are coding in binary or machine language. It means that we have to, we are telling to the computer to create a particular software using binary language. Okay. All right. Okay. So for example, Mr. Computer, please create a software using this code. So I am using binary language. Computer accept it on binary language also. Understood or not? We are writing 0101. Computer also understood 0101. So no need to use any type of translator. Yes or no? Here translator are required or not? Sir, no, not required. Translator are not required. It is advantage of machine language. It means, what is the good feature of machine language? One is no translator required. Okay. No translator required. When no translator required means very fast execution. Very fast execution process. Okay. Using machine language. But still you are writing 0101. So brother, not easy to read to everyone. Understood? If you want to write simple 5, simple print the 5 on the screen using 0101, then you have to write 101. Eh? I'm not explaining 0101, but this is simple code. If you want to write 13, then you have to write just like 1101. All okay? If you want to write just 8, then you have to write 1000. This is very, long content. If you want to write this 65, then you have to write what? 1 0 0 0 0 0 1. This is very long 0101 content. Okay, so it is not easy to write. Even for example, if you want to display single a capital A, then first you have to convert it in a number just like 65, and after that you have to convert it into 010101. Understood or not, Ayansh? What is the meaning of, sir, this 65? If you want to write or display B, then you have to translate it into 66. If you want to write C, then its number is 67, D is 68, E is 69, F is 70, and so on. Z, capital Z, Z is 90, capital Z is 90. What is the meaning of these number? I will explain. And again, if you want to write small a, then it's convert it into a number. Its number is 97. It is fixed number. Capital A number is 65, fixed number. Capital B 66, fixed number. Small b 98. Small c 99. Small d 100. If you want to write just at the rate symbol, then you have to use 64. This is fixed number 64, and each and every character in symbol have a particular value. It's a numeric value. It is fixed. Ayans, Yachna, Ritesh. It is fixed value. This value is known as Ascii value. Which value? Ascii value. ASCII. American Standard Code Information Interchange, or American Standard Character Information Interchange. American Standard Code Information Interchange. Not. Please tell me. Ascii value. Ayans, all okay or not okay?
Yeah, that's going good.
Perfect. American Standard. It means that when the starting creation of computer created by IBM, International Business Machine, it's based on American Standard. So at that time they decided this ASCII is decided these all numbers. Its range is ASCII range is 0 to 127. 0 to number is fixed, 0 to 127. Okay, understood or not? 0 to 127. But these are too much low. So after some time they will create advanced ASCII, named is advanced ASCII, to increase the range of these number. Advanced ASCII. What will be the range? What was the range? 0 to 255. Numbers are 0 to range is 0 to 255. Total 256 numbers are there. Sorry for that. 255. Understood or not? But these 256 numbers are also less number of contents. Okay, we are using Hindi, we are using Japanese, we are using Chinese, and number of characters are there. Arabic, Urdu, so many characters are there. So the new format is created. Name is Unicode. What's the name? Unicode. Just wait a minute. I'm cleaning this. What? Unicode. Ayans, do you know about Unicode? No, no problem. It is universal code. Universal code. Its range is 0 to 65535. 65535. Okay, so range is 0 to 65535. Its total is 65,536 total numbers are. Understood or not? It means that if you want to show ions, AYANSH, okay, or in Hindi, ya, and sha, it means that you have to create these different numbers, and after it you have to convert it in 0101. So this is very very tough content. It is not easy to write and also not easy to understand. Understood or not? Clear? Third one, next is not easy to find errors. We have 1,000 line of code. This is completely 010101111000. This is 1,000 line of code. For example, in 55th line, an error are created or generated, but we don't know in which line or which 01 the error is raised. We don't know. Then what will we do? Nothing, because it is very toughest task, complex task to find the errors in 0101 or low level programming language. Understood or not? Okay, next is sits on machine. If you want to learn these all languages, these machine or machine language or assembly language, then you have to know the internal architecture of machine, how to sum of two numbers, how to subtract, multiply, division, calculation, printing, anything. So you have to know the internal architecture of machine. Okay, so this is the biggest problem. Now if you are writing this lump sum, a very number of lines code, then obviously time consuming is there. Okay, time consuming means costing is too high. Understood or not? So these some all problems are there with the machine language. Now when we are seeing number of problems in machine language, then a new language arrive in market. Its name is assembly language. Name is assembly language, but it is simple as compared to 0101, and the code is just like this one. Code is just move AX DX X CX sub X BX BX DX, just like these one. Okay, these codes are known as mnemonic code. Which code? Mnemonic code. Mnemonic code. Which code? Mnemonic code. Yeah, okay. Okay. These are called mnemonic code. Mnemonic code. But as compared to binary language, these are easy because it's written in just English language. But still, these are also depends on machine, because AXDX, AXCX, CXBX, BXAX, these all are internal architecture registers, hardwares, etc. content of the machine. So these all also sits on machine. It means that you have to need to know the hardware internal architecture of machine if you want to learn again assembly language. Understood or not? Next one. But if you want to work with assembly language, then you have to know these code, and but still machine wants, and machine take only 0101 and only understand 0101, but you are writing in this assembly language. Then what will do? What is the solution for this? You are writing your code in assembly language, but your machine only understand 0101 or machine language or binary language. Then what we will do? We want a translator. We required a translator. Understood or not? Yes or no? Ayansh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Translator. We required a translator which translate this assembly language code into 0101 or machine language code. Okay. So this translator name is assembler. What is the name? Assembler. Oh, assembler. Yeah, sorry for that. Assembler is, okay, no problem. Assembler is the translator which translate assembly language code into machine code. Understood or not? All okay? Next one is, now we will discuss all about high level language. Just like C, C++, Python, Java, etc. It is very easy to read. Only prerequisite is,
Sir,
yeah, please tell me.
I just have one question. So for low level, do people write 0101 when all of these operating systems came out? Really?
You have to
Oh,
platform to write 0101 code. Okay, we must have to platform to do the code in machine language. Okay, it is done by in first generation computer.
first generation. Okay,
First
so
1946 approximate, 1946, in 1946 approximate. First generation computer totally used machine language. Okay, and vacuum tubes, transistors. First generation computer use vacuum tubes, and after that transistors are there. After that step by step chip are there, microchip are there. So this is history, the computation and computer, sorry.
currently people just code in assembly language and just translates it to machine then.
It is a assembler. Assembler is a software. Okay, just like Turbo C++ is a translator, a compiler of our C++. You have to use. You used it or not?
No, I have not. I haven't touched C and C plus yet.
Okay, no problem. So you are using PVM, Python virtual machine.
Python, I haven't heard of those yet.
So have you used any translator?
Translator, yes, like as in normal languages, sure, but are you encoding? Like I've heard of GPRC.
No problem. Okay, I will explain.
Okay.
I will teach you. Okay, all okay. So high level languages are very easy to read, very easy to write, and very easy to understand. Understood or not? Next, very easy to find and solve errors in very much easiest way basically, and no need to know the internal hardware architecture. Requisite is only you have to know or read the English. Okay, or no any specific prerequisite. Okay, time saving, low costing, these all such type of programming languages are high level programming language. Okay, So now, next is, do you want to click it or not? Removing it because. Perfect. This one. Okay. So now, if we are using high level language, just like C, C++, Java, Python, etc. Okay. For example. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Perfect. No problem. Nice. Okay. No problem. So now, for example, we are writing high level language code. Codes. Okay. Okay. But machine only understands 0101. It means machine language. Okay. Perfect. Again, C, C++, Java, Python wants what? Translator. Again, a translator. Yes. Which translate your source code, your Java code, your C code, your C++ code, and convert it into machine code. So this translator, these translators are two types. Two types of translators are there. First one is called compiler. What's the name? First one is compiler. Yeah, perfect. And second one is interpreter. Interpreter. Okay. We will learn what is the meaning of compiler and interpreter in Java, but in simple words, compiler means which compile the code in one shot. This complete code translate or convert it in one shot only. It's called compiler, compilation. And interpreter means which converts code in line by line or execute the code line by line. It's called interpreter. So two types of translators are there in high level language. In Java, we are using Java C compiler. Name is Java C compiler. And in interpreter, we are using JVM, Java Virtual Machine. We will learn what is the meaning of this. So compiler and interpreter. Understood or not? We will learn what is the meaning of both compiler and interpreter. Understood or not? So second sentence is, just wait a minute. What was our first sentence? First sentence was Java is programming language. Java is a programming language. It was our first sentence. Second sentence is Java is a high level programming language. And the third sentence is Java is a high level and object oriented programming language. What is the meaning of object oriented programming language? First one is complete. Have any doubt? What is the meaning of Java and Java is programming language? Second one is Java is high level programming language. And third one is Java is high level object oriented programming language. So now we will discuss about object oriented programming language. So each and every type or each and every language has a type. Just like for example, in our language, just like Hindi is a type. Hindi is a type. Multiple languages available in Hindi. Sir, what different type of languages are there? Vyansh? Sorry. So, just like Indori is Hindi type language. Malvi is Hindi type language. Nimadi is Hindi type language. Bundeli is Hindi type language. Bagheli is Hindi type language. Marathi is Hindi type language. Gujarati is Hindi type language. Understood or not? So these different type of languages are belongs to from Hindi. These are Hindi type of language because these all Hindi, Indori, Malvi, Nimadi, Bundeli, Bagheli, Marathi, Gujarati. Okay, these all languages follows the Hindi structure or Hindi grammar or Hindi concept. So it is Hindi type language. Just same, just like English. English is a type. English is a type. Different English are there. For example, American accent, American English, British English, etc. English. Hindi, Indian English bhi aa chuki. So American English, British English. What are type? English. This is a type. Okay. So American and British both are following the English concept, English grammars different. Okay. So English is a type, Hindi is a type, just like same about programming language has a type. So each programming language has a type. For example, first one is structured programming. What? Structured programming. Okay. Structured programming. What's the meaning of structured programming? What different type of programming languages are there? Structured programming. C is structured programming. Python is structured programming. Okay. PHP is structured programming. Structured means functional programming also. We can say. Okay. Scripting programming. Language. What are the various scripting language? Just like JavaScript is scripting language. Perl is scripting language. Understood or not? Type is scripting. Scripting is a type. Hindi is a type. English is a type. Just like scripting is a type. Structured programming is a type. Functional programming is a type. VB script is a type. Shell script is a type. These are programming language. Ayansh. Number of programming language are there. Scripting type programming. Modular programming. Modular is a type. What are different programming? Modula 3 is a programming. Modula 3. Python is also modular programming. Object oriented programming. Object oriented is a type. Different object oriented programming. C++. C sharp. Small talk is an object oriented programming. Java is object oriented programming. Python, just like a mixed base. Python is a structured programming. Python is a scripting programming. Python is a modular programming. These such type of types are there. Okay, so we will discuss tomorrow what is the meaning of structured, scripting, modular, object oriented, and why Java is object oriented programming. This is our next topic. So we will discuss why Java is object oriented programming, what is the meaning of object oriented programming, and what is the meaning of object, class, structure, and all those things. Okay, so okay for today. Have any doubt or query, you can ask me. I think this is too much. Ayansh?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Yashin can go first.
Any confusion or any doubt? Yachana?
सर आपकी जो वॉइस है ना थोड़ा सा नेटवर्किंग इशू हो रहा था कहीं कहीं.
अच्छा, आपका नेटवर्क इशू हो रहा था. Ayansh, any